Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. I'm Roland and today we're making braised chicken meat wings with mushrooms in oyster sauce. We are braising this until they're tender and juicy along with mushroom in a rich savoury sauce that's just perfect over a big bowl of rice. It's a simple, comforting dish that's packed with flavour. I'll show you an easy way to make this so every piece soaks up all that delicious sauce. So let's start cooking. Hi friends, before we start cooking, just a quick life update. You probably know my wife Jamie as the person who's always behind the camera. Well, she recently started a new career. It's something she's been working very hard on and we are both really excited about it. So I'll let Jamie tell you herself.
Hi everyone, I'm now a property advisor in Singapore and it feels good to finally say that. Don't worry though, we'll still be sharing recipes with you every week on this channel. But if you, your family and friends are thinking about buying, selling, renting or investing property in Singapore, I hope you'll think of me. Whether is it residential, commercial or industrial property, I would love the opportunity to work with you. Just send me a WhatsApp message for a chat. And I've also included my LinkedIn profile in the description box below if you'd like to know a little bit more about my background. Thank you for always supporting us. It really means a lot to us.
Alright, enough talking, let's start cooking. Now we'll marinate our chicken meat wings. I have with me over here 16 pieces of meat wings, approximately 600 grams. Add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of fresh young ginger juice from grated ginger, half a teaspoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt, as well as a few dashes of white pepper. Mix them up well. And we'll marinate this for approximately 20 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. Now we'll put the dish together, heat up a wok, add in a suitable amount of oil. We're going to pan fry our meat wings first. I'm using medium heat at this moment, you can do the same. Put in your chicken wings. Put the flat side of the skin side down first, like this. We're just going to get some color. Let's just fry them on one side first before we flip them over to the other side. Now I'm using meat wings over here. You can use any parts of the chicken that you like. Now there'll be some marinade left, so don't throw this away. Later we'll just pour this in. Don't move them first. We'll fry them for approximately 1 to 2 minutes and let them brown a bit before we turn them over. Give them a check once in a while just to make sure that they are not burnt. A little bit more color is needed. About 2 minutes has passed. Let's have a look. Right, this is what we want, a little bit of color. So now we just turn it to the other side. This step will also get the fats from the wings out so that this dish will be very flavorful. I can start to smell the beautiful fragrance from the wings already. So same thing, fry the other side for about 2 minutes or so before we add in the other ingredients. Another 2 minutes has passed, let's have a look. Right, yes. Brown beautifully like this. We will now add in about 20 grams of ginger sliced. Put them in first. Spread them out a little. Mix them up. We'll fry this for about a minute or so. Move them around just to prevent them from burning. Get the fragrance out from the ginger. The oil is very flavorful though, so don't worry because later when we add in the mushroom, it will soak up the oil and this will be a really delicious dish. But of course, if you don't want your dish to be too oily, you can pour away some of the oil. A minute has passed, now we're adding our garlic. Half a bulb of garlic chopped, add them in. We just need to mix them up a little bit. Once you smell the fragrance from the garlic, we'll add in our mushrooms. This is a remake of our old-time recipe that we have posted several years ago. But this time we are using meat wings. It is really smelling very fantastic. I can start to smell the beautiful fragrance from the garlic, from the ginger. Now we add in our mushrooms. 8 pieces of dried mushroom which I've rehydrated and squeezed them out really dry like this. Add them all in. Now just now the marinade from the chicken, we just pour it in. Mix them around for about a minute or so, just to let the mushrooms come in contact with the beautiful oil and flavor that we have over here. My mushrooms are not too big, so I'm putting them in whole. But if you are using bigger pieces of mushroom, you can just cut them into halves. Wow, it's smelling really, really, really fantastic over here. This dish is super easy to make and so good with rice. Now we're adding water, but just spread them out like this first. Add enough water to just reach the chicken. Something like this will be good. Now we're adding our seasonings. Add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Two tablespoons of light soy sauce. A little bit of white pepper. As well as half a teaspoon of chicken stock powder. Mix them up well first. Now we're adding sugar. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix them up well again. I'm still using medium heat, so please do the same. Now at this point, you can add in your dark soy sauce if you prefer a darker shade of color. I'm using 1 to 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Mix them up again. Put the lid on. Turn the heat down to medium low or low, and we'll simmer this for 20 minutes. If you are using drumstick or chicken thigh, bigger pieces of meat, you can actually simmer this for 30 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 20 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, smells really, really good. I'll just give this a light stir. Now, the heat is still now at medium-low heat. We'll thicken this up with some cornstarch solution first. Stir as we pour it in. Now we'll turn the heat up to medium-high. Let this come to a boil. And if you want a thicker kind of gravy itself, you can actually reduce it by a little bit. This is really so good with steamed rice. One of my family's favorite, and it's so easy to cook. Look at how pretty this is. Oh my god. I'm going to reduce the sauce a little bit. I want to make it slightly thicker and more robust, the flavor. But of course, always taste before you actually reduce the sauce or add in more sugar or salt. For me, the flavor is really, really perfect. I like my gravy a little bit on the thick side, so something like this will be really good, right? Now I'm going to turn off the flame and it's time for lunch. Wow, pretty, pretty and tasty. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Smells absolutely delicious. Let's try the mushrooms. Oh, very, very good. Wings. Tender, juicy, very flavorful. The sauce on steamed rice. Happy man. Really, really good. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. The sauce is really, really fantastic, guys.